Hello and welcome back to Magic Hat to back a crypto video. I hope you guys are well. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a very bullish video where we're going to be talking about a project called HuntX. Now, you might have heard of this project because I made a video on this 2 months ago, almost on the dot. I want to revisit it because there's been a lot of new updates. So you want to watch the whole video through. If this is your first time as well, don't worry. We're going to go over everything that you need to know. How can you make money with this? And yeah, as the website says, it's the first Telegram trading app all in your hands in Telegram, guys. Get your 1000x leverage. Now, this is basically a leveraging platform on Telegram as a bot. Super accessible, super user friendly. I really love it. There's different ways where you can make money. We're going to go through them today. As you can see, this is kind of a screenshot where you can long and short. I'm going to show you guys as well how you can do that exactly. What are different settings? The users, basically unique users, guys, 70,621. Good amount of volume. Look at the transaction. They got benefits, no hitting fees. I love their transparency. There's tournaments that are happening every single week, so you guys want to definitely check them out. But yeah, you can see that you can go up to 1000x leverage. Very degen, so careful. Don't advise it unless you know what you're doing. Instant withdrawals is really nice. I've used it as well myself, and I really do like their website, by the way. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Earn interest by providing liquidity. So this is the part where I also want to tell you guys, if you go to the pools, it'll show you this is coming soon, where you can actually just provide stable coin, and you can hear it says 9.5% APY. Now this is very solid. To be fair with you, if someone has money parked up, instead of you having it collecting dust, it can actually make you some extra money. And I'm going to assume this is obviously going to be not locked staking, so you can pull out anytime as well. So that's pretty beautiful. Now there's socials. I'm going to leave all the links in the description. Definitely stay up to date with them, so go follow them on their Twitter and as well on my Twitter. But quickly, I just want to show you guys why this video is really well timed, because right now we're basically in this bear trap where we have a lot of tokens that are on sale. Looking at the big blue chips right now, Bitcoin, Ethereum, obviously Solana as well. Solana was almost at basically just over 200. Ethereum, peaked at almost 4,000. We're looking at, guys, Ethereum, definitely, I have my milestones using like Fibonacci retracement. You can see that it's more likely to have a support / resistance at 7,200, potentially at the 10,000, and even better in aspirational goals at the 15,000 level. So huge room for growth for both Bitcoin and Ethereum and Solana, and of course BNB, etc. But why am I talking specifically about Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin? Because you can leverage them in this Telegram app, guys, with as minimum as like few dollars. I believe $5 could be the minimum, and you can start leveraging. I know a lot of people look at leveraging as a way to make actually quick money if you know what you're doing, if you have your own strategies, if you're being smart, a disciplined trader by having your stop loss, or if you want to have a strict take profit, so that you're not trying to be greedy. You don't want to have the kind of the fear of missing out, etc. So yeah, they have a whole Git book where you can read all about it. Again, as I said, I'm going to take you guys through the basics today. I'm not going to cover every single thing. This is kind of an overview. Obviously, do understand that this is a non-financial video. It's an OV. It's purely educational. So yeah, shout out to HuntX. Really, really great. And honestly, I like that they're carrying on, with the leaderboards, guys. Definitely go check that out. They have a weekly one, as I said, and you can see that depending on obviously your P&L, your profit and loss, your win rate, and look at the prizes. Being in the first team or first place, you get $1,000. It goes all the way up to the 15th place where they get 15, 25. So I really like that, actually. Like you want to get part of that action, so definitely check them out. But now going back to it, okay, this is the Telegram. So this is what you'd see. Link in the description. Okay, you'd be kind of greeted with this: welcome to HuntX bot. Start trading now and fully leverage the potential of 1000x margin. Okay, don't go ahead and do that. Okay, because 1000x margin, what does that mean? You go in with like $2, it will go in, you'll make the trade for you with worth of $2,000. You understand what I'm saying? So yes, it's good, but that means as it goes up, yes, you'll make 2000x profit on your actual $2,000 position, on your $2 position, right? But it's equal as it goes down. So do you understand that? Higher reward comes with high risk. Okay, so you want to risk manage well. So this is a tool. Okay, this is not just a get rich easy scheme, guys. Okay, do you understand that? You have to be very disciplined, have your own set of rules that you always go with. So, you mean like kick this emotional side of yourself outside and always focus. You know what I mean? Like, just be responsible. What I'm trying to say, be responsible. Play with risk capital, money that you wouldn't mind losing. Okay, so yeah, going on, start immediately. Top up your internal Huntx wallet by going on my wallet and click deposit. So really easy. Click on my wallet here, and then for example here, click agree. This is kind of a new Telegram, so I'm not going to go through that. It's super easy, super useful. Yeah, profit in minutes, fast withdrawals, 24 technical support. I would only advise clicking this here if you need support. They also have a Telegram, by the way. This is their Telegram for the community, 9,900 members. Definitely join that as well. You can see their announcements. And yeah, if you are new to trading, by the way, there is a demo mode. This is beautiful. Okay, I'm going to show you guys in a second. Don't worry about it. Where you can literally make your own, fake trades and see how, if you would have made money if you stuck to certain rules that you're making up, and then now you can enter their live trading with small amounts, and then as you get better and better, you can start going more as you get more confident. So that's how it is, guys. Don't rush the process. We're in a bull run, yes, I understand, but we're definitely in this bear trap. So we have a few times, and look at this, in the thrill. Day trading with leverage is fun. So this is why the video that I'm making today is absolutely good, because we want to be in the first part of that peak of the, in the bull run. You don't want to be after the peak of the bull run where, yeah, this is bad, where it says leverage is not fun, right here in the wrecked part. So this is perfect. I would say, around these times where things are going to slowly recover, the sentiments with overall crypto is going to be great. You know what I mean? With I think I even heard Donald Trump is going to be speaking in a Bitcoin conference soon. So I'm actually looking forward to that as well. So yeah, what I mean? Tons of great things ahead. But going back to it, this is in their website. They have a really great portal for learning. Even to be honest with you, I might even come here and fill up a few gaps about TA and stuff. You can see here the triangle trend method, the triple top and triple base. Pretty interesting, and it tells you, TA analysis, and I really like that. They really took their time, to show you really nice visuals to understand things, and yeah, it's pretty beautiful actually. So without further ado, before we just get into it, they actually recently added a Telegram game, where you can actually make money from playing a game. So you can see here your Huntx points. I have 1 attempt available. I want to let you know quickly that you can actually only do this once every 8 hours. Okay, unless like you invite people and stuff like that. So that's up to you if you want to do that. But yeah, you can actually make money. You can redeem them. I think if you go in your somewhere, I think, let's see. But first of all, let's show you how you play the game. It's literally swipe to do that, and then once you're in the game, taking some time to load. Okay, you click play. I'm going to use my arrows. Okay, if you're on your phone, you can actually tap on either side of the screen, but I'm going to use my arrows because yeah, if you die once, you die. I don't want to fall. Okay. This is a warm-up, right? This is what you do before you start trading, by the way. Whoa. Okay, I did not see that coming. But there you go. I got 250 points. Not bad. I have 0 tries left. So now this would add up. You can see that, and it tells you next you can play in 8 hours. So now yeah, you can probably redeem that somewhere. Okay, and I don't really have the full answer to that right now. But I think, oh yeah, there you go. Farm points. You click on that. Huntx Jump is a gamified platform where users can farm points by playing, completing tasks, and exploring functionalities. With Huntx Jump, you're not just earning points, you're unlocking doors to new possibilities and exclusive opportunities. Become an integral part of our vibrant community. Invite friends and receive additional bonuses. So pretty interesting. Yeah, you can click it and then obviously try to your Huntx points balance. Go check it out, guys. But finally, give me 1 second. But yes, I just had to change my Telegram account because this main one I already played the game. So, but we're back to my main account here. Now, if you want to start actually leverage trading, you want to click on the trade button right there. And then once you do that, guys, you're welcomed with this really nice, beautiful, honestly looking kind of integrated website here where you can see the chart in front of you. Okay, you can see that I'm in live mode. If I want to go to demo mode, you can click on this. You're using demo mode, so this is where I can make my fake trades and understand things. Now I'm going to explain everything, so don't worry. Now you have 3 options. Okay, this is the biggest update part of the video, is that they added their Ethereum/USDT, Solana/USDT, so you can do leverage trading on those 2 as well. It really depends up to you. So I'm going to be choosing, for example, Ethereum. I'm very bullish on Ethereum long term, mid-term as well. But now we want to talk about kind of the super short term. We're talking about like 5-second candles, 1-minute candles. Where is it gonna go? Okay, that's the part of kind of crypto why it's really good with leverage trading, because of that volatility. As things go up, they don't just go up in straight lines. It kind of goes up in waves. Okay, which I guess a lot of people could call them fake outs. You could make money from those fake outs where it goes up and down, a huge volatility basically, and that's really good. Sideways action. Okay, so there's 2 things. Long, this is where you're betting on the price is gonna go higher. Short is betting on the price that's gonna go lower. So you're gonna make money as the price goes lower. Okay, and then you got the margin amount. Okay, this is the amount basically you wanna basically go in with, where it will end your your position. So for example, if I put $50, if my position is now minus 50, it will call the margin and close the position automatically and liquidate me basically. Okay, so keep that in mind. That's how it works. And right now the leverage is at 100x. Okay, so that means if I go in with 50 right now, I'm going to be entering as if I have a $5,000 position, which, you know what, I'm feeling a little bit lucky, so I can go in today. I don't know, I'll go in with 300. Okay, to be fair with you, I do. Oh, this is demo, so actually it doesn't really matter, to be honest. So we can actually do that. You can see here, it's my previous position. I'm not sure if this is real or not, closed positions, but you can also click on this double arrow. If you want to go slightly advanced mode, there's a take profit and there's a stop loss. I 100% advise you guys to do that. It all depends on you, to be fair. If you're going to be watching your screen, then you don't really need a stop loss and take profit. But if you're going to be, going away for a couple hours, or if, you're going to be busy doing something else, you want to have at least some safeguard kind of rails, you're going to be looking at this. What is a stop loss? This is where it will stop you. It will automatically liquidate you before it goes through the whole margin. Okay, before you lose the whole 50. So for example, here, their minimum one, I believe, is 30%. So if you do 30%, that means if you lose 15, if you go to minus $15, it will automatically liquidate. Okay, that's really good, because you would rather lose 15 than $50. Okay, now there's risk to rewards with doing this, because now that means if you make a position, what if it goes minus 15 and then it would have gone up like plus 50 if in theory you didn't have that stop loss. This is why you need to adjust it to your own strategy. What if maybe I want to keep it to minus 30, so you can either set either side you want to do percentage or that. And obviously here the minimum is 30%. They don't allow any shorter than that. Now same thing with the profit. The minimum, I believe, is okay, so there's no minimum on the take profit. So actually you can have it as any just as secure. So for example, if you're going to go to sleep, you want to make sure that you want to catch the Chinese market waking up, but by the time you wake up, you're going to miss the peak of volume. So you want to put like a take profit where it will basically end your position and take profit at what it is. So for example, you could say, okay, if I'm going to make for example $75, which is 150%, it will automatically close your position. So I can do that just in case. Stop loss, I'm going to keep that at $15, and then we're going to open a position at, for example, because this is demo, I'm going to keep it at 400x really. We're going to look at the chart. Now, usually what you could do, you could actually look at this chart, draw your own lines, or you can have, if you have a laptop, you have another screen, you can also do that there and then make your decision here. But to be fair, because everything you need is actually on here. So I'm going to do this is the 5-second chart. And it seems like, let's go also on the 1-minute chart. Let's see how it is. So it seems like we are making kind of like these lower-ish lows. So I'm not sure if I'm that bullish, guys. Okay, this is This is 3 point. I mean, if you go back even more, again, I'm just making super quick analysis, which basically, by the way, this means nothing. Oh wow, look at that dip. Interesting. Interesting. That's really hard to decide. Am I going to be like very short term in the next few seconds for the video? Am I going to be bullish or bearish? Now, I almost want to say that this seems like kind of like a handle, like a hammer, you know, a bear trap. Okay, basically like kind of a bear trap thing. So you know what? I'm gonna feel kind of risky here, and I'm gonna open my position at the longer position. I'm gonna click open, and let's see what would happen. Okay, this is again demo, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, so my position, you can see now up here. Oh, you can do the reverse, and this is what I heard. This is actually a new functionality, and you can see as well, it shows it on the graph, guys. This is beautiful. I like this. It's actually beautiful, man. Look at this top take profit at here. So this is where I would make my $50 above. Beautiful. And stop loss for my $50. Oh, sorry, this is my $50 margin. They're just showing which one you are, and then liquidation is down here. Okay, I put my stop loss and then liquidation, and then this. It's beautiful. And then reverse. Interesting. I'm not 100%. Oh, look at that take profit. Oh, and I guess I can change that. That's beautiful, guys. That's actually beautiful. Okay, obviously I can close. Look at this. I'm actually losing money right now. Good thing I've done it in the demo mode. And there you go. Position closed. So you know what I'm going to do? You know what I'm going to do, because I feel like that's kind of the negative has already happened. I'm going to go to the actual real live Ethereum. I'm going to make a long position. Should I keep? I might now make another bet, guys. Minus $15. If I lose $15, guys, you guys have to like the video. Okay, you just have to. I'm gonna remove the stop loss. I don't need a stop loss. Well, actually, fine. I make $50. It does seem like, to be fair, it does seem a little bit bearish. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I have to go short. I don't know. Okay, let's make this $30. If I lose $30, it is what it is, or 25, and then let's say 100. Open position, YOLO. Life is too short, guys. Life is too short. I do this so you guys don't have to. Okay, so this is the take profit. This is where I would make my $100. This is my, oh, there we go. $3. Hold on. I'm gonna assume reverse, by the way. Switcher's foot. This is like the squeeze. Ah, there we go. Oh no, we're losing that money. 12 cents. Nah. This is why, by the way, people need to understand that taking profit is good. There we go. I might actually lose it. I'm going to stick through it. We might see that money go goodbye, guys. $25. I've done it for the video. Okay? This is why I'm not a leverage trader. It's tough. This is tough. It's actually, leverage trading is actually mental toughness. But of course, if you know what you're doing and stuff like that, if you know what I mean, some people like, you know, being at a negative $10 is nothing to them when you're planning for it to reach, you know, plus $100. That's actually nothing, actually, because that's only minus 9% really, right? But obviously playing with leverage, it literally leverages the risk. So keep that in mind. So this is minus $12, guys. Good thing I made my stop loss here. I don't know. I'm just gonna wait a little bit. I don't want to, you know, end the video with you guys. Actually, maybe I should. I might end the video with you guys not knowing whether I've made money. Did it hit the stop loss? It might hit the stop because it's at $25. We'll see, guys. My 15, my 17. Ah, you see what I mean? This is what I get for being bearish on Ethereum, guys. I get punished. Okay, I should have stuck. You know, there's a reverse. this is maybe the right time to use it. There you go. I've reversed it. I've reversed it, guys. So let's see. What does the river? Basically, it switches that position from, being a short position to a long position. Now I have my stop loss right here. Yo, that would be crazy if I can make back the $19 that I just lost. Because if I go down here, minus $19, tough times. And this is the $5. Hold on, there's no way I'm gonna make my money. It'll be too good to be true, guys. It would actually be too good to be true. But guys, this is basically Huntx. You know what I mean? I'm absolutely throwing zero TA here. I didn't see the previous performance of the day. What are the sentiments? But there you go. I'm technically at $10. So if I close it now, I would only be a negative of $9. But we'll see. We'll see. Can I make my $20? Oh, there you go. Whoa, hold on. This is kind of bullish right now. It's kind of bullish. If as soon as it reaches $19 something, I'm actually gonna close it. So what I could do, actually click this and then change the profit at 20 or like 25, so I can bring it closer. $25, okay. 15. Hold on, don't do this to me right now. Don't do this to me. No. 30. Flip. Yeah, you know what? I might let it do its thing. Worst case scenario, guys. I'm gonna lose, a little bit of money, but I'm gonna end the video there. I'm actually gonna make it at $100. I might make it at 200. We'll see. This is kind of a YOLO thing. I'm just gonna do my thing, and I'm actually gonna remove the. I'm gonna put out 40 instead. No, not 40. Sorry. Shoot. What I meant is this. $40. Yeah, so 83. I'm going to leave that there because I'm feeling kind of lucky. And I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to end the video there, guys. Okay. So am I going to make my $200? I'm actually going to leave this running. I'm going to close the app. And then if you guys want to know what happened, okay, join my Telegram link in the description. I'm going to update you guys there. This is Huntx, ladies and gentlemen. It's actually kind of fun, to be honest with you. If you do know what you're doing, you can actually make decent amount of money, because you just saw me easily reach that $15 mark. But of course, I easily as well lost the 19, because that's what I get for being short on crypto in the brink of the bull market. You know what I mean? But guys, that's the video. I'm going to end the video there. I really hope you guys have a great rest of your day. All the links in the description, so you can start trading with Huntx, and of course play that game, gain your points. You can redeem them for other stuff as things come out. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you guys soon. Bye bye.